Hi guys, I'm gonna keep it short because I forgot to do this intro where it was quiet, but I'm gonna get my eyebrows threaded today. I've done it before. It's pretty painful, but for any of you out there that's curious about the process, I'm trying to like shout now over the damn noise. Curious about the process, you'll get to see how it is. So I'm in a mall and this place is called, I'll tell you guys about it after. How about that? Alright guys, so let's see. This is my eyebrows from before. As you can see, they are really bad and I'm gonna try to get them a little bit thinner. Okay, so not too thick, but definitely not too thin. Okay, sure. Ooh, this hurts. Pretty hurts. Woo. Beyonce did not lie. Take it like a champ. You are a champ. Woo! Thank God for that break. Woof. Ooh, sorry. Nah, so you're really gonna let them see you scream like a... Okay, now you're just embarrassing. I should just get up and leave. Your eyebrows are never even anyway. I wonder if I could make one eyebrow done a trend. Don't let that tear drop. Don't you let that tear drop. Beauty is pain, and pain is beauty. Beauty is pain, and pain is beauty. Beauty is pain, and pain is... Oh, this hurts. F that. Let me see it first. Okay. Please God, please God, please God, please make it be that you did not mess up my brows. Okay. This one, can you make this one up? This one is a little bit thinner. Can you make this one a little bit thinner?
Thinner?
This one. Like, this one is a little thinner than this one. So you see what I'm talking about? Like,
you want to remove it a bit?
Yeah, a little bit under here. You see what I'm talking about?
I think...
Let me try it under.
Yeah. Because hair looks sad, that's why.
Taking off from the bottom, right?
No, here, like, okay?
Yeah. But it's like this one, this arch here. So this one is clean. I like it. But then this one is like a little
right
bit.
here?
So yeah, what I'm saying is this one is thinner than this one. You know what? Let's just leave well enough alone. Let's just leave it. Like near the... Right here.
Right here?
No.
So it... I'll fully place one.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did I even come get my eyebrows done? Now they effed up. Oh gosh, what is it gonna look like after this? Yeah. Girl, now you look angry. You look angry. Just get out of there. Yeah, so I like this, but now, do you see what I'm saying? If you look at me. Okay guys, so I got them done and to be honest with you guys, I'm not in love with them and I was trying to tell her to fix them, but if it's one thing I learned, don't try to fix it too much because then if they go way too thin, there's no coming back from that. So it's not bad and I could just like draw whatever I like in. And as usual, every time, because it takes me so long between getting them done, it's always a lot lighter under here. But I mean,
I like it. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, and that's really it.